Welcome to Gulfport, Mississippi, everybody. So here is a helicopter I wanted to share with you all. Let y'all check this out, man. This is nice. If you were in the military or your family was in the military, I want you to know we appreciate your service. It means a lot to us. Freedom don't come cheap, and we know that. Very interesting. Man, imagine the guy that sat in there, operated this. Thank you to all the military people, family, friends. We know you are the reason we are free. Thank you so much for your service.